BrainBobble presents the secret sauce that creates lasting habits. Are you tired of struggling to adopt new habits or feeling stuck in a routine that isn't serving you? In today's video, you'll learn practical tips and strategies based on scientific research that you can apply immediately to build the habits you want and break the ones you don't. Whether you want to get in shape, replace an unhealthy habit with a healthier one, or improve your productivity, this video will guide you through proven strategies to create long-lasting habits that can transform your life. With persistence and the right mindset, anyone can achieve their goals and make positive changes in their life. 1. Mental game. Gamifying habits is a research-backed approach to building lasting habits. A study published in the Journal of Personalized Medicine found that breaking down a habit into smaller tasks and rewarding yourself along the way can increase motivation and planning skills. In the study, participants used a smartphone app to track their progress and receive rewards for steps towards building a new habit. By making habit formation into a game with points and progress tracking, the participants were more engaged and persistent. The results showed that gamifying habits increased success rates in habit formation. This approach is particularly useful for difficult habits, as breaking them down into smaller steps can make the habit less intimidating. Overall, gamifying habits can lead to more motivation, habit-building success, and life satisfaction. 2. Habit replacement plan. If you've ever struggled to break a habit, there may be a more effective way to do so. According to a study in the Journal of Experimental Psychology, replacing an unpleasant habit with a new, enjoyable one may be more effective than simply trying to stop cold turkey. For instance, if you're trying to cut back on snacking on junk food, you could replace it with a healthier snack like a piece of fruit or some nuts. Similarly, if you want to reduce your social media scrolling before bed, try replacing that habit with something else you enjoy, such as reading a book, listening to calming music, or doing some gentle yoga stretches. By adopting a new routine that serves your goals in a positive way, you may find it easier to stick to your new habit. 3. Environmental cues. Did you know that the environment you're in can have a big impact on your habits? A study published in the British Journal of Health Psychology found that specific environmental cues, like posters, signs, and other visual reminders, can make it easier for you to create new habits. Basically, if you see something around you that reminds you to do something, you're more likely to do it. For instance, if you have a sign on your fridge that says "drink water before every meal," you might find yourself reaching for a glass of water before you eat. By using visual cues in your environment, you can set yourself up for success and encourage yourself to engage in new behaviors that support your goals. 4. Join a community. Having a support system can significantly increase your chances of successfully forming healthy habits, according to a study published in the Journal of Social Science and Medicine. Joining a like-minded community or having a partner/friend with a similar goal can create a sense of accountability and encouragement. So, if you're trying to eat healthier, you can join a cooking class or a healthy cooking group where you can meet people who have similar goals and learn new recipes and healthy eating tips together. This not only provides social support, but can also help you stay motivated and interested in sticking to your healthy eating habits. Or, if you're trying to start a regular exercise routine, finding a workout buddy can push both of you to keep going and sticking to your goals. So, try to surround yourself with people who share your goals and values to help you achieve your desired healthy habits together. 5. Habit hierarchy. Starting with small, easy habits can help you increase your chances of forming new healthy habits, according to research published in Health Psychology Review. When you try to change a behavior, it's important not to overwhelm yourself with big changes all at once. Instead, start with small, manageable habits that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. For example, if you want to exercise more, you can start with 10-minute workouts and gradually increase the duration and intensity over time. This way, you can build momentum and confidence as you start seeing the results of your small efforts. Eventually, you can move on to more challenging habits that align with your goals. Breaking down your goals into smaller achievable habits can help make new habits feel less overwhelming and more sustainable in the long term. 6. Implementation intention. Having a specific plan can make it more likely that you'll stick to your new habit. A study in the journal Health Psychology found that implementing specific plans for when and where you will perform a habit can be an effective way to increase the likelihood of habit formation. For example, if you want to start reading more, planning to read for 15 minutes before bedtime and keeping a book on your nightstand can be a helpful implementation intention. By planning out the details of your new habit, you are creating a clear pathway that can help make it easier for you to follow through. So, if you want to increase your chances of forming a new habit, try to develop a specific plan that outlines when and where you will carry out that habit. 7. Pre-commitment strategy. A study in the Journal of Consumer Research found that public commitments can significantly increase the chances of achieving your goals. When you share your new habit with someone else, it creates a sense of accountability by making your intention to change public. This can help motivate you to stay on track and less likely to back out. For instance, if you're cutting out sugar, telling a close friend or family member about your decision can help keep you accountable. Additionally, they can offer emotional support and encouragement throughout your journey. So, if you want to increase your chances of sticking to a new habit, try making a public commitment by telling someone else about it. 8. Habit tracker. Tracking your habits can help you stick to your goals. According to research published in the Journal of Medical Internet Research, using a habit tracker can be an effective tool for monitoring progress and keeping yourself motivated. A habit tracker is a simple tool that helps you record your progress towards your goal daily. It can be as simple as a pen and paper, a whiteboard in your home, or an app on your phone. For example, if you're trying to drink more water, you can track the number of cups you drink each day. Seeing your progress over time can be motivating and help keep you on track. Additionally, habit trackers can help you identify patterns in your behavior and make adjustments based on your progress. So, if you're trying to form a new habit, try using a habit tracker to monitor your progress and keep yourself motivated to achieve your goal. Now that you know the secret sauce for creating lasting habits, it's time to put it into action. Remember that small changes over time can lead to big results, so start with one habit and build from there. Keep yourself accountable and track your progress. And when setbacks happen, don't get discouraged. Instead, use them as an opportunity to learn and grow. With the power of this secret sauce, you have everything you need to create the habits that will help you achieve your goals and become the best version of yourself. And for more insightful tips and mind-expanding food for thought, subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching.